Our lives are misery and slavery.
But why do we continue this? Because man steals all we produce. Man is the only real enemy.
Get rid of them! Man, our labor is our own.
Almost overnight we could be rich and free. What must we do? Rebellion. And remember, all animals are equal. Remember, all animals are equal. Long live the rebellion!
These are the 7 commandments. Our unalterable law.
I must contribute all I can. I will work harder.
The windmill will bring prosperity to the entire farm, Napoleon. We must complete it!
A great sacrifice has been made for your benefit. Napoleon has taken the reins only to protect us from the criminal Snowball. Comrades, Snowball was a traitor. He was in league with Jones. It was all discovered in secret documents. Leadership is a deep responsibility.
If Comrade Napoleon only...
Napoleon is always right. I must work harder.
Boxer, what happened to him?
Make way, let me through!
Is there nothing we can do?
Comrade Napoleon is making arrangements to send Boxer to the hospital. The best surgeons will attend him.
Fools! Do you not see? They are taking him to the knacker! Boxer! Get out, Boxer! They are taking you to the knacker! Get out!
Ha! I win again! Pass the stout, farmer!
Our glorious leader always prevails.
You certainly have a way with the cards.
To a future of prosperity.
The lower animals on Animal Farm do more work and receive less food.
To the greatest leader, to Comrade Napoleon. Cheers.